Hey y'all, welcome back to our channel. So today I will be making, what am I making? Today I'm making egg foo young. I've just been craving it. No, there's not a number 6 on the way, but I just been craving egg foo young, and so that's what I'm doing. So I'm already whispering my eggs right here. I already sauteed my vegetables, which was my onion, bell pepper, and mushrooms right here. And then I have my diced chicken. Then I got my chopped green onions from Walmart. I mixed my cornstarch with my egg. And this is just some extra stuff and jalapenos and all that I'm probably gonna put in these egg rolls once I finish with the egg foo young. So I got my vegetable oil going. I got everything ready and made up to make my egg patties, if that's what you want to call it, my fried egg patties. All right. So this is how it's currently going. The mushroom gravy is made. This is just a McCormick's easy gravy thing. Our vegetables are going for the egg rolls over there. My baby baby. All right. These are the vegetables for the egg rolls. Just a little spinach, water chestnut, bell peppers, mushrooms. And then we have our brown rice right here. And these are the 2 lovely egg foo young patties I've already made. And then we got 2 going in a skillet right there. All right, let's go see what Daddy's doing real quick. And we'll come right back. Let's see. Yep. We had to get a new toilet because the other one was defective that we got from Lowe's. So they're in here working on that. No, you are not right now while they're doing that. You can wait. What you doing, boo?
Putting the cement on.
Okay. He's putting the cement down. Didn't even think your name was Boo, but okay.
That's what I said.
I'm gonna stop. No, you didn't. You said, dang.
Alright. That's what Jack's doing.
I said, dang.
His 2 little helpers right here. Alright. Oh, there go my helper. She's flipping them. Yep, you can.
Okay.
He said take a bite. You gonna taste them, Mama? Here.
I taste them. I taste them.
She's hungry. I'm sorry.
I taste them.
Go ahead. She wanted to do one. All right.
I taste them.
Okay.
I taste
And then you spatula, scoot it over, and then you pour the next one. Okay, hold on, Ryan. Hold on, Mama. Egg rolls are done, looking good. My daughter stuffed them. Right. All right, y'all. So I am done. The egg foo young is done. The egg rolls, the rice. It looks so good. I've been wanting this all week. So, anyways, how did y'all like it? Cause you already ate it. You already ate yours.
It was good.
It was good.
Wait, the egg rolls?
Well, Miss Picky wanted all the stuff out of hers, so I can't even ask her. Brian, get your hand out your hair. Brian eating. The hubby finna eat in a minute. The baby's still cranky. But anyways, y'all, so that concludes this video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and just continue to follow the Colberts. We out.